Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jean Mackin. We are on the air following alert weather. There is a wind advisory in place with wind gusts reaching more than 45 miles per hour, and that is causing thousands of power outages across the state. Right now, more than 34,000 customers are without power. Most of those are Eversource and New Hampshire Electric Co-op customers. We are also following breaking news in Londonderry, where students at Londonderry High School are being dismissed due to concerns over structural issues with the gym roof. We have a crew arriving at the scene in Londonderry right now. We'll be bringing you the latest just as soon as we learn it. People all across the state are dealing with these strong winds. Let's take a live look from the Portsmouth Chevy camera, where you can see it is just shaking in the wind right now. Meteorologist Haley LaPointe's been tracking these wind gusts and the damage throughout the day. Haley.
Yeah, what's crazy is Portsmouth actually just took a wind gust of 60 miles per hour just within the last 15 minutes or so. Hudson topping that at 63 miles per hour. And we've had repeated wind gusts in Manchester over 50 miles per hour for the last 2 hours or so. So really intense gusts. I think we're in the worst of it right now with these strong gusts continuing on. And then as we get into the latter half of the afternoon, that's where we'll start to see things coming down. But look at this, Concord gusting up to 58. We are still gusting to 60 in Portsmouth. Rochester over 50 miles per hour, close to 50 miles per hour in Manchester and even Nashua as well. We do have a wind advisory through 7 p.m. for the entire state, and we could see some wind gusts between 45 to 55 miles per hour. We're already seeing that, and we're actually exceeding that in some places with those 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Of course, with the strong winds and the colder air, it feels very brisk. That's another factor here to consider if you're stepping out this afternoon, but you just feel wind whipped when you step out with how strong these gusts are. Thankfully, nothing much happening other than the wind. We don't have any rain or snow to talk about. There's a few snow showers well to our south and west. So really the big story remains the winds through the afternoon and into the evening, though the winds will come down, not calm down. They will be breezy through the overnight and even into the day tomorrow. You'll see this on Futurecast here. By 3 p.m., still a few places gusting to 50 plus, especially I think up into the White Mountains. We'll see kind of the core of the winds shifting there. But by 7 p.m., a remarkable difference with gusts coming down to say between 20 to 35 miles per hour. Tomorrow, it will still be breezy, no doubt, but nothing as intense as what we have seen over the last couple of hours here. So, Jean, we'll see some improvements as we continue on deeper into the afternoon and evening.
All right, good to hear, because we are still receiving dozens of reports of trees and wires down throughout the state. We'll be bringing you updates throughout the day right here on WMUR and on WMUR.com.